Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we are going to learn how to make runner, bouncer, dodger game using Scratch. First, I have to implement the ground. So I'll make the ground just a large purple rectangle. When flag clicked, forever. I already have GY, the action has jumped. I will set GY to 0. To negative 0. Set GY to 0, change GY by negative 0.1. Change Y by GY. So now the scratch card is going to be falling down. Next, we need to implement scratch card bouncing and flag clicked forever. If static sprite 2 sets GY. I'll set GY to negative 0.2, negative 0.1 to 4. Oops. Now I've implemented bouncing. Anyways, now I have to implement the controls. If then key A left sets the X to the speed X to negative 4. If then key D pressed, set the X to 4. Change X by dx. Now it can run, and finally I'll add the ability to jump. If key W pressed, set GY 4, but set has jumped to true, but if it touches the floor, then says has jumped to false. If then, by default, set has jumped to false. If then key W pressed and has jumped is equal to false. Do this. Now I've implemented jumping. I'll make an obstacle to dodge, it's a bouncing ball. When flag clicked forever. When flag clicked forever, put a new variable called GY. Set GY to 0, change GY by negative 0.2. If then, touch sprite 2, set GY to 4. And finally, change y by gy. Let me set dy to 8. Let me set dy to pick random. 4 to 9. And finally, I'll just say move 10 steps if one edge bounce, because I don't have to go through the trouble of now that I have a bouncing ball, I'll remove all this code when I start as a clone, and I'll replace this with repeats 200. I'll replace this with show. I'll turn this to hide. And forever create a clone of myself. This is obviously this isn't going to work. So create a clone of myself every 3 seconds. 3 seconds is a bit long. Let me just randomize the time. The balls just disappear. I should put delete this clone at the end. Next, and touching sprite 3, stop all. It's basically just a rudimentary way to end the game. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, Obacode. Bye.